Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your battery health in Windows 11 so you know whether the battery is good or bad and whether the battery needs replacing. Now, it's very straightforward to do this, so all we're going to do is head over to your Start menu and you need to search for PowerShell and then just right-click on Windows PowerShell down here and run this as administrator. So we're just going to paste in a command inside of this Windows PowerShell, and what this command will do is it would generate a report for us, which would tell us all of the information that we need to know about our battery. So I've already got this command saved over in a notepad, and I'll leave this in the video description so you guys can come and copy and paste this. So we're just going to paste this inside of the terminal here, and as you can see here, this has now generated a report, which will be saved inside of the C drive. So we can then close out of the command prompt window once you've got this confirmation, and you'll just need to head over to your file explorer, come inside of the C drive here, and then we need to scroll all the way down to the bottom, and you should have this file that's now being generated called battery-report.html. Now you can double click to open this in any internet browser, and as you can see on the screen here is all the information about my battery. Now the only really values that we're interested in here is this design capacity and also this full charge capacity. So what this basically means is design capacity is the battery life when you first bought your laptop. So when it was brand new and never been used, this was the capacity of your battery here. And the second one is your current capacity of your battery. Now, what does this mean and how do we determine whether the battery is good or bad? Well, it's actually very simple. You just need to head over to the Start menu and we're going to bring up a calculator. And then you need to type in this bottom number here, this full charge capacity. So I'm going to type in 46881. And then we need to divide this by the top number by this design capacity here. So 75998, and then we just need to times this by 100, click the equals, and this will give us the percentage of what our battery basically has left. So I'm currently at about 61% of my battery health. Now all you really need to know here is if you have a battery life of anything around 50% or under, then your battery's on its last legs and it's definitely worth considering replacing. Anything above 70% and your battery's in good health. And between 50 to 70%, your battery is definitely more on the worn side. And that's it guys, that's how you determine your battery life inside of Windows 11. If this video did help you, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing. Until next time.